Bay Windows Columbia is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles Columbia available, you can find the perfect fit for your home. Bay window experts Columbia are ready to assist you in selecting the best bay window options Columbia to meet your needs. Custom bay windows. Columbia offer a unique touch to any home, allowing for personalized bay window design. Columbia that reflects your style. Bay window customization. Columbia ensures that your windows are tailored to your specific preferences, providing both aesthetic and functional benefits. Bay window aesthetics Columbia can significantly improve the overall look of your home. Energy-efficient bay windows Columbia are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These bay window solutions Columbia are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while lowering utility bills. Bay window upgrades. Columbia can include energy-efficient features that enhance your home's performance. Bay window replacement Columbia is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Over time, bay window materials Columbia can wear down, necessitating a replacement to ensure continued performance. Bay window repair Columbia services are available to address any issues and extend the life of your windows. Affordable bay windows. Columbia provide a cost-effective way to improve your home's appearance and functionality. With various bay window dimensions Columbia to choose from, you can find options that fit your budget and space requirements. Bay window contractors Columbia can help you navigate the selection process to find the best value. Bay window maintenance. Columbia is crucial for preserving the longevity and beauty of your windows. Regular upkeep can prevent costly repairs and ensure that your bay window features Columbia remain in top condition. Bay window specialists Columbia offer maintenance services to keep your windows looking and functioning their best. Bay window enhancements. Columbia can include a range of options, from new hardware to updated finishes. These bay window innovations Columbia can modernize your home and increase its value. Bay window trends. Columbia often focus on combining style with functionality, offering homeowners the best of both worlds. Bay window craftsmanship Columbia is evident in the quality and attention to detail found in each installation. Skilled bay window contractors. Columbia ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards. Bay window experts Columbia are dedicated to providing exceptional service and results. Bay windows Columbia benefits extend beyond aesthetics, offering increased natural light and improved ventilation. These features can enhance your living space and create a more inviting atmosphere. Bay window options. Columbia allow you to customize your windows to maximize these benefits.